Hello, beautiful friends. This is Lynette here, and Nikki and I want to bring you our front yard garden tour for 2026. So come and join us. If you're new to our channel, please hit that subscribe, like, and comment because we want to know who you are and chat with you. Okay, so coming into the garden gate here, on the right, I have salvias along the border here. I have an astilbe, some liatris, more salvia there. I got a little pink geranium going. I got a mix of alyssum and some petunias along the edge. And this big monster here is a sweet autumn clematis. And then we continue to go. We have salvias. I have a coral knockout rose there. This is a bobo hydrangea. I got a couple coneflowers. They're really big yellow coneflowers there. A little snapdragon, little sunflower, some autumn sedum there. The big bush is a limelight hydrangea coming through. I have more salvias on the edge, some alyssum, marigolds, petunias on the edge. And then this rose here is a red rambling rose. And a lot of my roses I had to cut way back this year, almost all the way to the ground. So I'm hoping it will eventually ramble on the fence. And then I have a little grouping of primrose there. And this rose here is Oh So Easy Mango Salsa Rose. And beside it, I have a little grouping of delphiniums. And beside it, I have a little grouping of larkspur. A little more sedum, some more salvias. This rose right here is a campfire rose, and I'll put some pictures up when it was blooming really pretty. This is an unknown rose because it was here before we got here. A little grouping of some phlox, a couple other little plants back there, more liatris. I think I got some snapdragons coming up. And then this here is another crepe myrtle. And then this is the Bathsheba. Okay, now coming around the corner is going to be a little circle of salvias with an urn in the middle. And I did some bubble gum, some sweet Caroline, proven winners, potato vine, some salvia, and a few other little flowers in the urn. Okay, so as we go down the other way in the front garden bed, we have a peach drift rose here. And behind it is a coral knockout rose. A little grouping of columbine. That is a brand new plant this year, and it is a proven winners banana cream daisy. This is an astilbe. And I have 3 of these dotted down the line. And they are magic carpet spirea. More salvia. This is East Friesland salvia. This is David Austin Boscabel. Behind it is a snowstorm spirea. Have a knockout pink, bright pink knockout rose here. East Friesland salvia. Another magic carpet spirea. Coral knockout rose. This is a macrophylla endless summer hydrangea. Then we have David Austin Scepter de Isle rose here. She's got more buds coming too. Everything's looking really good. Something was eating my rose, but I did get some spray on it pretty early on. So the new growth is looking better. Another magic carpet spirea there. I got a couple new plants. This one here is a Tiarella foam flower, and that is too the little tiny one. They were just divisions from a plant in the backyard. And I just planted, this is a Palmaria, and it is a Proven Winners Spot On is the name of it. It's going to have some pink and blue blooms, and I've already missed it for this spring. I got them very inexpensive this year. Some more dianthus, some tulips I need to cut back. This takes us to a brand new bed here that needs a lot of love and attention, but we'll still show it to you. It is a sweet spire bush there that's not doing so hot. Another little hydrangea there, a euonymus, a boxwood, and I got some plants that I think I'm going to plant up soon there. The bush there you see is a popcorn viburnum. Okay, this takes us to my little side garden here, and what it is a 1, 2, 3, 4 incredible hydrangeas with 3 dwarf spruce trees. And then on the border is a mix of salvias and veronica. And then in between all of it all, I put clay pots with bubblegum petunias. And I can't wait for the incredibles to start to bloom, because look how pretty that will be, you guys, with the big white balls. Put a new little statue there. And then we have another bright pink knockout rose here. And this is a black tower sambuca. And then I'm trying, Nikki gave me some starts of her oak leaf hydrangea. And I have 2 of them, not looking the greatest. And then past the weeping cypress, we just have some irises and some yarrow, some bright yellow yarrow that came from my late mother's yard. Some boxwoods, planted up my little bird feeder or bird bath up with Proven Winners petunias, and I believe those are some snapdragons there. And then these are just bright pink petunias in a bag. I think they're so pretty. And then my front porch, we planted this up. There's a video on this. And it's just a mix of different things. I got coleus, marigold, ageratum, geranium. That is a fuchsia Proven Winners petunia. Got some bubblegum petunia there. Some creeping jenny. And then over on this side, we got a little basket of alyssum. That is a vinca. We have some yellow calabroscia and some creeping jenny. And some more bubble gum there. That takes us to our little front garden here. It's a row of boxwoods, and then in front of it, I have some salvias and a little bit of alliums, some hydrangeas, but I need to work on this big time. I also want to do something with the brick down at the bottom. So that'll be another project coming soon. And that takes us to the front of the garden again, and the front corner of our home. When you come around the corner, there's just more boxwoods. And then I planted this up the other day with some petunias, ageratum, Dusty Miller, Creeping Jenny. I think there's a little lantana in there. Planted that little one back there with some lantana. And this is always a pretty view. Right by the underneath the flag, that's another lace-capped hydrangea. And this is our view from the porch out to the garden. So pretty. I got some more plants I need to plant up. Thank you guys for joining us for the front yard garden tour today. We really appreciate you all. And don't forget, we have a lot more projects coming up. I got a really neat boxwood project, and we would love for you guys to become part of our YouTube family. I hope that this inspires you to go find a little piece of land in your front garden or any part of your home and go find what makes you happy and find your passion today.